Hello, welcome to the STC Swaroop family. In this fast-moving world, it becomes very difficult for housewives to take care of their families. Keeping the same problem in mind, STC Swaroop presents a fully automatic domestic flour mill. With the help of the fully automatic domestic flour mill, you can now make fresh flour at home according to your need. With the fully automatic domestic flour mill, you not only save money but also efforts. With the STC Swaroop flour mill, you receive a jali set, an instruction manual, and a brush for cleaning. With the help of this, the domestic flour mill is very easy to use. Select the jali according to the instructions given here and according to your need. As the jali size increases, you will get thicker flour. After selecting the jali, place it properly in its place and close the chamber. Fix the filter or cloth according to your model and close the Velcro. After putting the grain into the hopper, insert the plug into the socket and switch it on. The domestic flour mill will begin grinding. The buzzer indication will imply that the flour mill has finished its work. The flour is ready. Keeping in mind child safety, STC Swaroop has given this function. The flour mill will not start until you close the main door of the cabinet. And if there is no grain in the hopper, then due to the sensor technology, the buzzer will ring. Meaning, if any of these two things are incomplete, then the flour mill will not start. You do not have to worry even if you have children in your house. STC Swaroop takes full care of the safety of your family, especially your children. Apart from this function, after putting the grain in the hopper, according to the model of your mill, it will not close immediately when you leave the top shutter. It will close softly with soft closing technology. The domestic flour mill will start automatically. After grinding, it will auto-clean. After the buzzer indication, it will stop on its own. After grinding, clean your flour mill only with a dry cloth or the given brush. Do not use water to clean it. In the model with the inbuilt vacuum cleaning system, you can clean your flour mill very easily. With this model, you have been given this dust collector and a vacuum pipe. Use it to clean the domestic mill and keep it inside after use. Its talkie function will guide you to use the domestic flour mill with voice assistance. Here is the button for that. So now, whenever you want, you can get fresh flour at home. Make fresh flour with STC Swaroop by following a few easy steps. STC Swaroop's domestic flour mill gives you the modern design with an aluminium profile, glass doors, jumbo storage, and soft closing top shutter. While using this mill, the customer gets a top quality user experience. The domestic flour mill of STC Swaroop is full of modern and automatic features. For example, fully automatic, child safety, modern intelligent sensor technology, overload protection, buzzer indication, auto clean, auto shutdown, vacuum cleaning, indoor LED light, and much more. And finally, we would like to tell you some important information that will be useful while using STC Swaroop domestic flour mill. Keep your household flour mill at least 1 to 2 feet away from the wall or other items. Keep a gap of 15 to 20 minutes between the two grinding processes. Use clean grain for grinding. Do not use oil seeds or substances like soya bean and coconut for grinding. Do not use any kind of wet grain and flour while grinding. Do not grind sugar if the chamber is hot. Do not attempt to open or repair the domestic flour mill by yourself or an unauthorized person. For more information, contact our customer care number 9168554455 or write to marketing@swarooptechno.com. You can also order the product online. So make your work easy and bring home a fully automatic domestic flour mill with attractive designs and best features only by STC Swaroop.